In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close a meeting in Zoho CRM, a step-by-step guide tailored for 2025. Navigating Zoho CRM might seem daunting at first, but don't worry, I'm here to walk you through it and make this process as seamless as possible. Let's start by heading over to Zoho CRM and logging into your account. Once you're in, you'll want to direct your attention to the Modules tab. This is your central hub for various activities and tasks available in Zoho CRM. By clicking on this tab, you'll see a list of possible activities such as calls, tasks, and of course, meetings. Next, let's zero in on meetings. By selecting meetings from the list, you will be taken to a dedicated page where all your scheduled meetings are displayed. Here you can see an overview of meeting details, such as the title, date, and participants. It's like having a digital assistant keeping track of your appointments. Truly a lifesaver for managing multiple agendas. Now that you're on the meetings page, your next move is to choose which specific meeting you want to close. Take a moment to carefully review your list of meetings and determine which one you're ready to conclude. This step is crucial as you want to ensure you're closing the correct meeting to avoid any inconvenience later. Simply click on the meeting title once you've decided, which will offer you further options. Upon selecting your chosen meeting, you should notice an option button usually represented by 3 dots or lines. Clicking on this button will give you a drop-down menu with various management functionalities. This feature assists you in making any final changes, moving the meeting, or in our case, closing the meeting. The next step is simple. In the drop-down menu, find and click on the Delete option. This action prompts the system to prepare for closing the meeting. A quick note here. Be certain that this meeting does indeed need to be closed before you move forward, as deleting is a permanent action and you want to be absolutely sure about your choice. Finally, you will be asked to confirm the delete action. This is Zoho's way of double-checking with you to prevent accidental deletions. Simply click delete again in the confirmation dialog box that appears, and there you have it. Your meeting is closed and removed from the schedule. By following these steps, you'll efficiently manage your meetings and keep your Zoho CRM organized. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or run into issues, remember to revisit this video for clarity and reassurance. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.